Wondering how much a full-service move really costs? If you like the idea of someone else handling the heavy lifting, packing, loading, and unloading, full-service moving can be a big stress saver, but it is important to know what you are paying for. Full-service movers usually take care of everything from packing your belongings to transporting them and setting them up in your new home. The total cost depends on a few key factors. Distance is a big one, since long-distance moves cost more than local moves. The size of your home and how much stuff you have also play a major role. Timing matters too. Moving during peak seasons like summer or on weekends often costs more. Extra services such as packing, storage, stairs, or carrying items long distances from the truck can add to the final price. For local moves, pricing is often based on hourly rates, while long-distance moves are typically priced by weight and distance. That is why getting accurate estimates is so important. To avoid surprises, always ask for written quotes and make sure you understand what is included. Decluttering before your move can also help lower costs. Full-service moving is about convenience and peace of mind. Knowing how pricing works helps you decide if it fits your budget. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.